welcome to Jess James Soup. Today we're going to be making scrambled egg on toast. You'll need eggs, fork, jug, milk, bread, toaster, pan, spoon, butter. First we need to crack the eggs. Boo! There's eggshell in there. There's eggshell in there. Oh! Give your hands a wash after you've cracked your eggs and put soap. And then rub them together and sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 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 First, you need to whisk it together with a fork or a spoon, and then when it's done, add a bit of milk. Then you need to get a spoon and scoop some butter in the pan and make sure you have an adult to help you. Before we heat the butter, put the bread in the toaster. Now go on and push it down. Then you stir the butter until it melts. When the butter is melted in, you get your mixture and pour it into the pan. Now it's time to stir, stir, stir. Ooh, now it looks like scrambled. Now it looks like scrambled egg. Now we have scrambled eggs. Then put the scrambled egg on the toast and then